new quality revolution, as discussed previously, is concerned with managing dynamic arrangements in an age of constant disruption, and in the context of developing the capacity to compete through absorption of change, namely in the form of new technology, in order to adapt and deliver to the end customer. The value creating process will therefore depend on two driving forces. On the one hand, whether a digital enterprise can develop the capacity for absorbing change, disrupting its existing core activities and process arrangements, and exploit the new capacity to innovate at the highest level of total happiness impact, insofar as the customer is concerned, and to embed the experiences gained through accelerating the momentum and scaling up its business model through its confident ability to deliver with the highest quality possible. On the other hand, a dynamically operated business enterprise will also need to deliver through mass personalization, and with the desire to proactively engage the customer in the delivery process, not through channel management, but also through the principle of individualization and the determination of what constitutes value in real terms. The measurement of impact through a disruptive, accelerated momentum is, as alluded to previously, to achieve high customer happiness impact, but also is whether all of the effort of disrupting, absorbing new technology, and collaborating to deliver personalized superior value can help an enterprise achieve a dominant position. The characteristics that will determine the behavior of a digital enterprise operating through an open system perspective in a dynamic fashion can perhaps be presented to include the following: the capability for inspiring through imagination in order to disrupt, as opposed to rely blindly on existing capabilities and methods of operation, and to engage a capability of transformation through innovation, as opposed to the previous quality revolution of Kaizen, improvement and optimization. Furthermore, the process of transformation is geared towards accelerating the possibilities through building more capacity for generating the big leaps in performance and the acceleration of the momentum, as opposed to traditionally maintaining status quo at an optimum level and managing quality through consistency in performance delivery. Acceleration of momentum for achieving major leaps in performance is ultimately for the purpose of creating domination in competitive performance and doing so through big leaps that are delivered by superior transformational capability and the adoption of highly attractive innovations supported by the practice of individualization and personalization of customer experiences. The development of capability through the continuance of absorbing digital technology and adapting the ecosystem to the new order of doing things, and the continuance of building bigger learning opportunities and adapting to the new learning practices. This phenomenon is a disruptive one, where digital adaptation is not necessarily for the purpose of supporting the existing business model, but rather it's to help the disruptive mindset and adapting the business model itself to new ways of adding value and new methods for operating. The learning adaptation, consequentially, is to signal that the digital enterprise considers knowledge as a commodity product and is driving through new loops of learning behaviors and an adaptation mindset to maintain it as a current and viable business entity. The foundation of the new quality revolution is to maintain quality from a relative standpoint and ensure that process management thinking is constantly adapting to the new reconfigurations and introduction of digital technology and the creation of new models for creating value, including at the higher level new business model. The ultimate impact is superiority through major leaps in performance using transformation and acceleration, and the acceleration is to achieve domination by impacting through super excellence and thereby ensuring a leading position. Lastly, the leadership of disruptive behavior using the new quality revolution is to manage the present and the intermediate through the various characteristics that are described through figure 9, but also is to inspire through shaping the future and using the abundance of data from various sources and its smart analysis and manipulation to determine possibilities for the future and thereby develop strategies for exploration and potential exploitation of future opportunities.